Oh, that's loud as hell. I'm back, baby. It's me. Motherfucking man like me. I haven't been on YouTube for a minute. Why? I've just been busy as fuck. Leveling up. You know what I'm saying? With this new camera. Hopefully the thing looking crisp. Looking crisp. Actually, speaking of crisp, where's my Doritos, man? I'm convinced they're a different texture than the normal Doritos. I got this cool app too. Like, it lets me change the focus of my camera, yeah? But it's from my phone, right? Ready, go. Oh, there's the background. Yeah, now it's... What? It's foreground. Anyways, so I've decided to do this video today because I've received a couple packages. Okay, it's not normally what I'll be like posting on my YouTube. So if I can, oh, actually, you know what? Might as well make the fun now. Wow. Anyways, and then I also just so happened to get some old camera equipment in it. I think it's like super old. It's in them bags over there. So. It should be fun, innit? I guess. I don't know what to expect. Like, I have no idea what Nietzsche sent me, so I guess we're about to find out. Alright, thing number one. This is the fatter bag, right? It's the fatter package. Fat package. What is it? Ooh, is it? Fam. I think it's a gilet. I think that's how you say it. Is that it's gilet? Gilet? It sounds French, innit? The gilet. This is kind of exciting. I see how people do these things. What's it called? A haul. Man's doing a haul right now. Guys, look at this. Would you just look at this? I do like close-ups and shit, but some sexy B-roll and that. But wait, can you take off the hood? I think you can. Guys, see this. Look at this. 500 thermal gauge. Don't know what that means. What does that mean? Does it mean something? Insulated layers, heavyweight garments, and wind resistant. That's why I like the sound of cuz. Why? Because it's winter. Nah, actually, it's winter. It's autumn in the UK and the weather's moving nuts. There was like a whole biblical storm yesterday. Alright, let's try it on. You know what, yeah? You know what? I've never owned one of these things. Like, fucking, what's it? Struggling. I never owned like a body warmer. Is this, I guess it's what's called, or a gilet. The gilet. Never owned a body warmer, but yeah, bro, I'm liking this still. What with a hood? Can't really put hoods on right now because of my hair, but what do you do, guys? I just say like, yeah, my gilet. Yeah, I got it. What is that? The gilet? Is that the new Nietzsche gilet? Gilet? Man's got that. Yeah. Man's got the gilet still. Come on, cuz. Very live. Nipple pockets and that. Oh, the inside of the pockets feel very nice. It's all like I don't know what the word is, like fleecy. It's like a fleece, but it's a pocket. It's got inside pockets. No. Very nice. Wait, let me see what's like with this hood off. Okay. Very live. I don't know why I'm taking off the hood. I thought I could make it like a... The reason I'm looking up there, by the way, is because I can see myself on the TV, just so I know I'm like in frame and shit. But it's that time. It's gilet time. What's the gilet saying without the hood? I'm liking it. I feel like, yeah, it's definitely for like a long sleeve top. I feel like I should be banging it with a long sleeve top. Because obviously, I mean, like, maybe not. It's kind of cold when you go like this. Maybe I should walk around like this. How's it going, B? Anyways, this is very live. I like this. On to the next package. Is it a haul? Does it count as a haul if it's two things? What's like the rules behind haul usage? Ooh, what's the next thing? What's the next thing? What's this? Okay. I'm liking this. They're wrapping me up warm, cuz. They're wrapping me up warm this autumn right now. Oh, it feels very nice. I watched a video the other day about how like different The fuck was that? Mercury sweatstone grey, sweet stone. Reading is not my strong point, still. I got a great jumper, cuz, and I'm definitely banging this on right now. Ooh. Hey, this is going. It goes with the gilet. It goes with my gilet. You know what I mean? You know, I really hope it's called a gilet, because if it's not, I've just been chatting shit this whole time. This is gold. Just look at this on its own. I mean, it kind of goes with my trousers as well, bro. I'm all here for this. I like this. Oh, which one do I like more, man? I kind of like both of them large amounts. You know what? I'm rocking it for the rest of the video. All right, this is me from the future. Slyly, I didn't really like check the package fully. Turns out there's some gloves in it. Dude, these are wrapping me up warm this winter, cuz. Look, it's got the the touchscreen gloves. Now I don't even need to take them off. Yeah, my hands have been getting cold. Clearly not anymore, you know what I'm saying? I got my jumper, I got the gloves, I got a gilet. So that concludes my little gift package from Nietzsche. So thank you guys very much. On to the old camera equipment. Now this is gonna be interesting as hell. I have no idea what's in these things. As you can see, the thing is old. I don't know what that is. Yashika, yeah, dusty as fuck. Came from my mom's friend. So thank you very much. I think there needs to be a videographer or something. So I'm about to look at some stuff now. I've opened this one. I got this one like a day before the other. Okay, so this is me from the future again. And basically this is where you are in a video right now, right? And it's taken this amount of time for you to get here. And the camera unboxing part of the video is this long. And that's looking to be a long spell. So I'm gonna split this video into 2 parts. Currently you're watching part 1. If you want to see me take some cameras out of some bags and have no clue what's going on, stick around for part 2. That'll be coming at a point in time once I've edited this long thing right here. And then yeah, this video is gonna end abruptly.